Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views. Today is November 14th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures down again. Today they're trading down 5.25 points to 25.76 3/4 per contract. Yesterday morning we saw the futures down only to come right back up and finish basically flat by the close. So we'll see what today's market does. It's going to be a wild one. When you look at these markets, we're getting gap down after gap down after gap down, but recovery after recovery after recovery. Eventually, one day, we're not going to be able to recover, but we'll see what today brings. In the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news. Let's take a look at the first one here on the board. Home Depot, ticker symbol HD. Stock is trading at 165.32. This is basically right where it closed yesterday at 165.35. Home Depot has been all over the map. You had a big pop, then you had a little bit of a sell-off. Now you got a flat Home Depot stock to start the day. So again, they reported earnings. We'll see how it plays out. In sympathy to Home Depot, you want to watch Lowe's. I don't think it's doing all that much right now, trading at 77.50. Basically right where it closed as well yesterday. But again, this will probably tail Home Depot and do whatever Home Depot does. So if Home Depot goes down, watch for Lowe's to make a move lower. Home Depot goes up, Lowe's will probably rise with it, and we'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at Dick's Sporting Goods. DKS is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $24.90. Right now, it's trading at $24.90. It closed yesterday at $26.32. This is on the back of earnings. I'm showing some support around $22.70. So if you're going to try to take a stab at it, that's probably where I would do it. I wouldn't do it beforehand. And even that level, I'm a little bit concerned with. So, again, we'll see how it looks once the opening bell rings. If you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We'll take a look at it there. And, again, we'll see how if that level is going to be a place where we could step into Dick's Sporting Goods today. So, again, we'll keep that on the radar. In sympathy to Dick's Sporting Goods, a lot of times you get some movement in Foot Locker, also Finish Line. These are stocks that will trade along with it. Also, Lululemon. You can see that one could all be in play in sympathy to Dick's Sporting Goods today. Let's take a look at Advanced Auto Parts. AAP is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $94.48. This is a big move higher. It closed at $82.28. So this is a real solid pop. Should be good resistance up around the $97 level. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I wouldn't do much with it here. That's a great pop for Advanced Auto Parts today, and we'll see where it finishes. This could have a lot of short traders in it, and this could be a squeeze. So again, give this thing a little bit of room to run a little bit further, but that is a good move for Advanced Auto Parts, at least initially. We'll look at this one when the opening bell rings. I worked out gap levels, but they're still far away, so again, there's not much I'm going to do with it as far as the gap is concerned, but it is on my radar. Anytime you look at this, you also want to look at O'Reilly Automotive, ORLY is a ticker symbol there, so keep that one on the radar. You can see that gapping up as well. In sympathy to Advanced Auto Parts. Let's take a look at LNG. This is Shinny Energy. Looks like the stock is trading around $47.51. Closed at $49.28. So this is a good little haircut to the downside. A level I have for this name is $44.80. This gets down to $44.80, maybe $44.75. Should be pretty decent there. If that level fails, then you're going to look down around $42.25. We'll see how it plays out. But those are two support levels today for Shinny Energy. Let's take a look at Buffalo Wild Wings, BWLD. This is having a huge pop today. So closed at $117.25. Stock is trading at $148.30. This is on the back of news that Rock Capital is going to buy the company out for $150 a share. I don't know if it's true. I don't know if it's fact, but that is the way the stock is trading today. So great move there in Buffalo Wild Wings. Stock trading at $148.15, up from $117. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Let's move over to Stratasys, SSYS. This is a 3D printer maker. Stock right now is trading at $21.50. Closed at $20.12. So good little uptick here. We'll give this a little upside bias to around $22. I don't know if it's going to get much past that. If it does, then it has room to run to probably $23.65, $23.75. So good little move there for Stratasys this morning ahead of the opening bell. In sympathy to Stratasys, you want to watch 3D Systems, ticker symbol DDD. This is catching a good little bit as well. This closed at 840, now trading at 863 a share. Let's take a look at Pulte Home. I think this is on the back of a downgrade. Stock right now is trading at $30.95. Closed yesterday at $31.57. So again, a little downgrade coming in for Pulte Homes. Level I like for Pulte Home today, if it does sell off further, would be around $27, maybe 27 and a quarter. But we're still quite a distance from there. And again, we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see where this one goes. Next up, we want to take a look here at Roku. Roku is making another big move today. If you own this stock, trail the stop loss immediately. Closed at $42.71 yesterday, now trading at $46. This has just gone, basically parabolic from the earnings. Got a nice surge here. Again, I would not be a buyer up here at these levels. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. We'll look at it in the intraday stock chat room. But this should be getting a little bit long in the tooth. And again, anytime a stock moves parabolic like that, there's only one other direction it can go. All right, let's take a look here at the gold market. Gold is getting hit today, down $7 on spot. Right now, gold futures trading at $1,271.80 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that this is trading at 120.79, down from 121.31. So good little sell-off there in gold. And if you take a look at gold miners, they may be following suit, and sure enough, they are. So you have gold and gold mining stocks both down this morning. You also have crude oil retreating a little bit. That's down about 33 cents to $56.43 a barrel. Even though oil is oversold, it's hanging in there because there's a lot of problems going on in Saudi Arabia. So again, we'll see how that plays out. We'll see what this market tells us. Right now you have the USO, which is a good way to track the price of oil. That is trading down at around $11.31, down from the $11.38 close yesterday. So there you have it. And if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. We had a great 2017, and we're going to look to keep that going really right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.